A very good morning and a warm welcome to Cheshire Cars' latest video, and this video is off my own car. Yes, this little Abarth 595 T-Jet that you're seeing here, I've owned it from new, but it's time for a change, so it's up for sale, folks. So this is a December 20 on a 70 plate, one owner, yours truly, Abarth 1.4 T-Jet 145 with some very valuable, I believe, valuable and beautiful optional extra equipment. All the equipment bar, I shall go through it shortly, but there's one or two items that we have fitted here, and I'll go through those momentarily, is factory fitted. So that means it's got the electric tilt and sliding sunroof. It has rear privacy glass. It has the red pack, which is the mirrors, the side stripe and brakes, calipers, plus inserts to the rear and front bumpers in red. It's Campovolo grey, a fantastic colour, another option of £350, and it's got these 17-inch upgraded alloy wheels. So a really stunning car. It's just had its second major service, so both services have been completed by BS Marston's, a Abarth dealer in Newcastle in Staffordshire, and it's bang up to date. We're just waiting to hear on a radio sat-nav software update, which we believe was just going to be released at the time of service but couldn't be implemented. So we're just waiting to hear back from BS Marston's on that. That should be today. Well, they promised me today anyway. So we'll try and get that done before any new owner takes the car, but we're having a lot of interest already. It's already had several people inquire about the car. All our prices are fixed and fair, so please don't embarrass us or yourself by asking for any discount, because the vehicle prices here are very well researched and afford both us as a seller and you as a potential buyer fantastic value for your money. And the business has been established for 27 years, and we have an enviable reputation for good and straightforward and honest car dealing. Car delivery we've offered for 12 years, and at the moment it's £1 a mile. It's 50% off because we don't charge you to come back, we just charge to take the car to you. We have to make our own way back. So car finance and PCP plus exchange are warmly offered and accepted on any of our vehicles, including this one. So what can I tell you? Well, I've owned the car from brand new. It's done 2 Abarth festivals in 21 and 22. It's been up and down the country. It's never missed a beat. It's absolutely, I've loved every minute of it. And we're not leaving Abarth. We're just times have come for a change, and we've just had a new car last Friday. So BL70DGZ will be very much at all the Abarth events this year with the Abarth vehicles. Well, I say all of them. We'll go to the ones we can get to because we are very busy, thankfully. So we have to mix business and pleasure. I know people love to do that, but we just about do it. So there's the badges of distinction, 22, 21, and then the Abarth Owners Club. We sponsor the UK Owners Club Facebook page and a cracking community. So please, if you've got an Abarth and you're not a member, consider joining. It's absolutely free. I think it's approaching 20,000 members now in the UK. Although it's a UK Abarth owners, we have got owners and fans from all across the world in the club, and it's a really fantastic and enjoyable place to be part of. And the group, I must say, have impressed me with their ability and flexibility to help and share other people. And we run competitions in there and generally be as helpful as we possibly can be with our splitting our time between the business and interacting with the club members. In fact, we've just recently run a competition, and one lucky winner won a aluminium Abarth fuel cap, which leads me very nicely to show you the couple of things that we fitted here, which we're going to leave on. How about that? That is probably one of the smartest things you could do to your Abarth. Take off that silly little thing that they put on at the factory and fit yourself one of those. Fantastic, and even better when it's got the name on. And the second thing that we've done, almost at the same time, look look at that. Aluminium Abarth fuel filler cap. Far, far better than again what Fiat offer you when it's built. Now I have put the original in the boot, it's in the boot. So you can take that with you with my blessings. I don't know whether you'd want to put it back on, but you can certainly have it. Whoever buys the car can get the excuse me, don't know if we have the strap of the boot, but we've certainly got the fuel filler. I'll just straighten the wheel. So it's covered 16,772 on the miles. And one other thing I forgot to tell you, staring at me in the face, is I had the 7-inch screen. So that means it has satellite navigation and Android and Apple CarPlay. So I believe, you know, the only probably two other things you could have had without going mad would be Beats audio and Xenon headlights, but most Abarths don't get either of those. But I've spec'd it quite well, so give myself a pat on the back. So let's go inside the car and just give you a flavour. Now, obviously, it goes without saying, those of you that know my channel and maybe have taken an active interest in the channel, and we're very grateful that we've had 1.1 million views on it so far since we've sort of started it up, established it in 2000, was it 2000 and, it can't be 8 can it, 2018 I think it was. So those of you that have followed us will know that I'm a stickler for cleanliness and smells. I don't like smells. So I can categorically tell you, confirm, this vehicle has neither any smells or anything that you should concern yourself about inside this vehicle. It hasn't been a smoker's car, and we don't have pets, and nothing wrong with pets, of course. Plenty of people have them, and there's people taking the dogs on the Abarth shows, and I stroke them and pat them and they jump up on me and all sorts. So we're not against pets by any means, but it's very difficult when you're trying to retail motor vehicles. Anyway, look, there's your air conditioning. I've put up the Apple CarPlay, hope you can see that. That has to be connected through a cable, and you do get 2 USB ports to do that. There's the sunroof. Electric tilt and slide. I've got the net across at the moment. You can just move that and then button. I'll let it go all the way back. There you go. We'll have a look outside in a minute. Quite a smart thing when it's open. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful car. I'm just forgetting as I'm going around my own car, aren't I? There's one other item that BCP Peter at BCP Car Care are associate fitted. That's a small amount of black wrap to the roof just behind the glass panel, so to make it one continuous black roof, which is quite smart, and that's been on from day one almost, so he's done a good job there, Peter. Sport button, those of you that know Abarth won't need much introduction to this, but if you press that button when it's safe and legal to do so, it tightens the suspension, the steering up, and delivers some more, some extra, well, the fuel gets through quicker, and so if it gets through quicker, you go a little bit quicker. So yeah, your acceleration improves really. Not sure about top speed, but where can you do 125, 30 miles an hour in this country legally? You can't, so please don't do that. Only do it on a racetrack. And if you're qualified, I don't want you hurting yourself or causing anyone else any injuries or worse. So like I say, both services have been completed. And so the second service was in January this month, and it had a major service including spark plugs, so no worries for another almost 12 months. It's ready to go, ready to enjoy, whoever the new owner may be, which I believe will be very quickly. We've already got somebody who's threatening to come down on Saturday. So that's our 70 plate, or my 70 plate Abarth. Well, they're all my cars, aren't they? But this one is a little bit special because it has been my personal car, not just a stock car. So there she is, in all her glory. We also purchase Abarths. We do a lot of purchasing through the club, of course. That's you can get a valuation at www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk. Pop your details in on there, and either myself or Callum will get back to you with a very fair and firm offer. And we also collect from around the country, and that includes settling any existing finance that you may have already on the vehicle. All payments are made by bank transfer, and we also deal with all regulatory areas of the purchase, so you've absolutely nothing to worry about. Google, Facebook and Auto Trader is where we host our customer reviews, so please do have a little look on there as well. That's David Bilsborough, Cheshire Cars, wishing everyone a fantastic day, and we're going down to Leamington Spa to look at a Jaguar E-Pace. So wish us luck. Neil's coming in shortly and we'll hop down there. It's only a short trip, about an hour and a half I think, and we'll see what the E-Pace is all about, and maybe hopefully come back in it.